What's good, YouTube? I was actually hit up by a customer that has a new Onyx 80 volt e-bike. And if the keys come with the 72 volt, I can do those too. But this key fob that he wanted to do is a special one. This actually has the ability to remote start the bike. You know, you usually would hit the lightning bolt, he said, 2 times. And I actually have that set to remote start. If you go all the way to the last screen, it'll be a start button, and when you hold that, it actually starts the bike. It hits the lightning bolt 2 times, and that will start the bike. So of course the unlock is how you turn the bike off. That works. Lock works. And the trunk button, normally this is for a car, so I have the trunk button set up for the alarm. So you got your lock, unlock, your trunk, and your lightning bolt to start and stop the bike, or to start the bike. And this key actually is my V6. This key is able to be programmed for the Onyx bike as well. So if you guys want to hit me up and get this done for your bike with your key fob, I do it. It's usually about 249 bucks. You mail in your original key and I do the install and mail you back the smart key. So this is actually touchscreen. I'll post this on my page. You guys, some of you already seen my videos and things like that before, but yep, it is touchscreen. Unlock, lock, that's your alarm button on the trunk. And then to start the bike, you would hit that twice, or you can also remote start it like I showed you before. So again, this is LCD smart key, and I'm back with another one, man. This is the Onyx 80 volt bike, fully done. If I can give you a demonstration of it too. All right, here we got the Onyx 80 volt. So of course your lock, your unlock, your remote, your alarm. That is the trunk button on this one, and then you return this on 2 times to start the bike. Okay, so as you can see, the bike is on. To turn it off, you hit the unlock. Cool. All right, and then let's say you want to turn it on. Scroll all the way over, you can actually remote start it. You can either hit the lightning bolt 2 times, or you can remote start it with this. Oh, let me press and hold it actually. And there it is. I have it set to press your lightning button 2 times. And that will start your bike. And then let's say you want to turn it off with the buttons. Remember your unlock. All right, so if you want to get a key like this made for your Onyx 80 volt, and again, all right, so if you want to get a key like this made for your Onyx 80 volt, and 72 volts come with key fobs, I can do those as well. But again, this is a LCD smart key, 404-664-5006. Thank you.